I'm here today at the Redlands Women in Business Forum, which is part of the Redlands Chamber of Commerce. We're attending the Resilience in Business, or Resilience and Agility. This is the second workshop that's been held, and absolutely love it, and we'll be attending all four. I've found the networking opportunities here to be great. It's amazing how much talent there is in the Redlands. For myself, I come from a corporate background, and you don't understand and you don't realise how many astute, intelligent, amazing people there are here in the Redlands, so it's been great. So today's workshop was presented by Dr Lyn Bishop, who is just an amazing leader. The reason I chose this school for my daughter. The content of the workshop is about something I really believe in terms of core skills. So people's core skills wrap around their technical expertise, and this is what I train as well. So I love coming and listening to someone like Dr Bishop, who is a master in this area, of which I find of great interest.